In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam CAPTCHA error in just 5 minutes. If you've ever been stuck on Steam with a CAPTCHA's error message and felt the frustration setting in, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get that issue sorted. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser on your Windows device. Your web browser is the starting point for managing many web-related settings, including the ones we're about to tackle. Once you're in your browser, focus your attention on the upper right-hand corner. You'll notice a set of 3 vertical dots, which serves as the entry point to your main menu options. Clicking those 3 dots opens up a drop-down menu, and from here you'll want to select the option labeled Settings. This takes you to a hub of various preferences that you can tweak to improve your browsing experience, among other things. Next, look for the section titled Privacy and Security. This area is crucial as it governs a host of settings that directly impact how your browser interacts with different websites, including Steam. Once in the Privacy and Security section, navigate to the subsection dedicated to cookies, particularly third-party cookies. It's here that you'll need to make an essential change. You'll find an option labeled Third-Party Cookies. Click on this and you'll see an important choice: Allow third-party cookies. Ensuring this box is checked can often resolve many of the CAPTCHA issues you're encountering. By allowing third-party cookies, you're granting Steam the permissions it needs to run its CAPTCHA smoothly. Don't worry though, this is a common and generally safe setting that allows the site to function properly. This quick adjustment often resolves the CAPTCHA problem entirely. However, if the issue persists, don't worry, there are a couple more things you can try. Sometimes simply refreshing your browser can clear out a temporary network glitch that's causing the error. It's a quick fix that works more often than you might think. Another effective method is clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, these stored files can cause conflicts with newer website data, resulting in errors like the one you're experiencing. Clearing them gives your browser a clean slate, allowing it to load Steam freshly and error-free. Remember, these steps are designed to target common issues with CAPTCHA loading on Steam. With these actions, you should be back to gaming without any more unnecessary interruptions. If, for any reason, the issue isn't resolved, consider checking with Steam support for additional assistance. Until then, game on without a hitch, and I hope this guide helped clear things up for you. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to check out more of our videos for helpful tech tips.